Hi, it's Caena. Welcome back to my closet. Today I thought I would do something a little fun because I got these two guys right here. The Milk Cosmetics Gemini palette and the 27 palette, and I'm so excited. I did not buy this when it released the first time and I regretted it like every day. Because it sold out and I couldn't have it and I was very upset. So when they re-released it, I snatched this up and then I threw this in to get free shipping. And because it's so pretty, like I was looking at it again and I was just like, yeah, I want both of these. They're beautiful. So I guess I'll just show you. So the packaging is stunning. And then if you open it up, this is what she looks like on the inside. So beautiful. Okay, look, it's so pretty. But the star of today's show is this guy right here. This is the Melt 27 eyeshadow palette. And it's, oh, I didn't mention that. This is like Laura Ariano's, I think that's how you say her name. This is her palette. And then this is like Dana Bomar's palette. It's like this industrial, like rusted, melting, like metallic look on there, and I love it. And then you open her up and she looks like this. All these really beautiful, like rust kind of colors, and yeah, I'm into it. I didn't have anything like this. So I passed on the Tarte Toasted, I passed on the Naked Heat, I passed on all of that stuff. I just didn't really want it. This one though, I think the colors in this one are different enough to be really, really cool. Like these are not going to muddy together, I predict, but we'll see. Anyway, let's get on with the video, shall we? I'll tell you what we're doing. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a little eyeshadow palette bingo. Yes, I've never done one of these. I'm super excited. I've really been wanting to. So this is going to be my palette. Kind of cheating, right? Yeah, it almost is, but we're just going to roll with it. I was going to make it harder, but you know what? This is my first one. Let's just take it easy. Let's roll for colors. Hopefully you'll be able to see this. Did we get a number? 8. We got Vegas Past, which is this guy right here. That is a pretty one. All right, moving on. Generate another number. What do we get? Can you see it? This might not work out so well for you guys. It's number 1. Number 1 is over here. That one is called Naked Sleep. Naked Sleep is on top here. Yeah, that's pretty. All right, let's go generate. Is it doing anything? Did we get one? I see something. 6. Number 6 is right here. It's called One More Thing. So that's One More Thing right here. She is very pretty. Can we see? Yeah, there we go. You can see that. Okay, that's 3. I don't know how many we should go. Let's at least do 4. It's generating. What do we get? It looks like 4. Number 4 is Moxie right here. That is Moxie. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's do one more. Let's make it 5. Why not? All right. What did we get? Come on. What'd I get? 10. Number 10 is this guy all the way over here on the end. That one is called Moonchild. There it is. These are the gorgeous colors that we have chosen. Let's get started. I'm excited. I'm going to go in with Naked Sleep. Naked Sleep is number 1 over here. here. So let's go in with one more thing. That is this guy right here. So let's go in with this guy. We got those two. We got the easy ones down. I'm gonna do Moxie, which is this bright orange right here. So I'm gonna go in with that one. Little detail brush here. Go in with Vegas Past. It is this, where is it? Over here, the gold color here. No Fix Plus, dry brush, amazing. Now I want to go in with the darker shade, the darkest shade, actually, which is Moonchild down here, number 10. just using the first color to just blend that out. So. Moxie. In with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and this is in the shade Torch. Do the bottom. I kind of want to use Moonchild, so I'll start with Moonchild. In with that Moxie color again. I think I'm just gonna kind of set my eyeliner and then do like towards the middle with this. Go back into this shade. One more thing, which is this guy right here. And kind of smudge out the bottom. Got a little bit of fallout there. Alright, let's do that. Now I think I'm going to go back into Vegas Past. Lip and Pretty, this color. I think I want to kind of take it into the inner corners a little bit too. I'm going to take this little bubbly from IBY Beauty, and I'm going to take a little brush, little detail brush like this. Let me go ahead and do lashes and yeah, mascara, not lashes, mascara and lipstick. And I'll be right back. So this is the finished eye look. And that's it. Let me zoom you back out. That was my very first palette bingo using the Melt 27 palette, and once again, that's what she looks like. Gorgeous. Love this palette. I'll play with it some more and I'll get back to you, and I'll play with the Gemini and I'll get back to you. That is pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this palette bingo, and maybe I'll do more of them in the future. Maybe. We'll see how terribly this one turned out. But anyway, so that is everything. If you want to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, it would be great. You can click the notification bell. It probably doesn't really do anything, but why not? Go ahead and like, comment, suggest anything you like down below in the comments. I will read those. And until next time, bye.